SunCo Sunspaces is one of our customers. Their problem was a little bit different. They have a huge channel base, dealers all over Canada and the US. Their scheduling order to cash through demand in real time to the factory was problematic, very, very problematic. They didn't have visibility, they didn't have connections to their dealers. Dealers were emailing in or faxing or whatever orders. So the whole problem is they needed to transform into a lean management platform using Salesforce. So the results of using Leankor were that they now have saved over 300 hours a quarter of just scheduling and resource management time just alone in that area, but they have also compressed the time it takes to manage all their delivery of projects. And so SunCo has a global dealer network. They log in through the Partner Communities portal. Partner Communities makes sure that each dealer only sees their one visual board. This is all native within Communities. They have their own board, and the dealer can now communicate in real time to the headquarters, who has their own internal view board, and the board is broken down into the stages or types of work. There's color coding, there's stickers on each card, and so sales order control board is not seen by the dealer network, but the dealer network can message them by just creating cards and moving cards around. They can put an order in their board, which then hits the control board, which then goes to the factory. They have a couple of different plants, and they can manage their own manufacturing Kanban, so you can do real-time, just-in-time delivery through a global network of channel partners, all on the Salesforce Sales Cloud. So any updates or delays from manufacturing ripples back to the control board, which ripples back to their real-time dashboard here, immediately informing the dealers of any issues. So let's take a look at how SunCo works. So here's SunCo's example in Leankor, native on Lightning. There's a dealer community here, so when Access Limited, when an employee from Access Limited logs into the Communities portal, they only see this board here. This is all they see. They don't see any of those other boards you saw in the demo there. And they can click down and actually clone a template card which has subtasks in it, a template card of a standard way that they interface with and send orders off and manage projects with SunCo. So they've cloned it, created an actual order and a project. They can update the status of the project, what percent complete. They're now in punch list phase. They've dragged it over. They're now communicating with the headquarters, with their supplier, SunCo. Again, this is the channel partner here that's alerting Tony Maibach here of some issues. And so the idea is that dealers now have real-time messaging all the way through to their supplier and back as well. So let's take a look at that. So now if I'm the SunCo sales operations or delivery operations folks, I can look at all the different factories as well, and I can go look at my factory east, factory west, and here this is a very simple board, but it's showing you how at the factory they can have different manufacturing lines that pull from production backlog into one of the lines, and from the lines into shipping. They can even see that this is for Leankor, which is an order from Access Limited, and now they've deep dived and drilled down into that card from the manufacturing board into now the dealer's board in the Communities portal. So here it fully integrates everything from your channel all the way to manufacturing and back in a very simple visual format.